The PR series firefighter thermal camera primarily utilizes a silicone and PEI material for its main body, and the screen is equipped with a 4.3-inch heat-insulating protective glass. The accessory includes a heat-resistant hanging rope, and the green button in the middle can be long pressed to turn on the device. The PR series adopts a non-touch button operation method, and its oversized buttons allow firefighters to easily identify and operate even amid a fire, navigating through its menu. The first option is the basic firefighting mode, which allows switching between image modes. The zoom function comes next, followed by the HDMI switch. The next options are the alarm function, analysis function, photo album, basic settings, and DP switch. Adjust image modes. The basic firefighting mode is suitable for initial firefighting, including live rescue and fire control. When the scene temperature exceeds 150 degrees Celsius, it will automatically start colorization. The black and white mode is also suitable for initial firefighting, including live rescue and fire control. But this mode is designed specifically for firefighting scenarios that do not require colorization. Fire scene mode is designed for environments with higher temperatures, especially in enclosed spaces, with a significant presence of open flames and high-temperature backgrounds. Search and rescue mode is suitable for low-temperature environments, such as early-stage search and rescue after traffic accidents, or personnel search and rescue in forced environments. Thermal detection mode is suitable for a thorough inspection after fire extinguishing, rapidly searching for heat sources to ensure no remaining fire hazards, with the hottest 20% of the scene gradually turning red. Standard infrared mode is suitable for routine fire scene inspections, providing fast and accurate temperature measurements of target objects. The detection image can be made clear and more intuitive by switching color palettes. Turn on the over temperature alarm function in the menu. First, enter the alarm section, where you can activate the high temperature alarm switch to set the high temperature threshold. Similarly, you can turn on the low temperature alarm switch to set the low temperature threshold. You can also choose whether to enable screen flashing. The alarm methods include screen flashing, vibration, and buzzing. Once configured, when the temperature exceeds the set threshold, the alarm will activate. Let's return to the main interface. Next, let's explore the analysis function. Enter the interface for the analysis function. In the standard infrared mode, an additional option will appear, which is the temperature measurement range. You can choose the temp range, a feature not available in other modes. The next option is the center point, where you can choose to display the temperature of the center point, track the highest and lowest temperature points, and set up area temperature measurements. There are 3 analysis objects to choose from in the area temperature measurement: big, middle, and small area temperature measurements. You can also set the emissivity. When the emissivity option is set to material, different materials can be selected. On the right, when set to custom, you can define specific emissivity values and set other parameters, such as target distance, reflect temp, atmos temp, relative humidity, and ambient temp. Upon entering the album interface from the menu, you will see a display with a medium-sized thumbnail in the center and smaller thumbnails below. On the right side, the photo's name, memory size, shooting time, and sequence will be displayed. You can use the buttons below to preview the previous or next photo. You can also zoom in on the photo and navigate through previous and next photos while zoomed in. Or delete the current photo. Use the corresponding buttons to shrink and return to the browsing interface. The clear button on the far right is used to delete all current photos and videos. When viewing videos, the operation buttons below are the same as when viewing photos, except that there is an additional pause and play button. You can access the basic settings interface of the device through the menu. First is the shooting method, where you can store from photo, freeze, store, or record video. The second is the video format, with two modes available, MP4 and IRGD formats. Screen brightness can be adjusted in different brightness modes. You can choose whether to display the logo on the main interface, whether to enable the color ribbon, and whether to show the date stamp on the main interface. Additionally, you can choose different distance and temp unit. To establish a connection, after enabling Wi-Fi, the name of the local hotspot cannot be changed, but you can refresh the hotspot password. Auto power off allows you to choose different power off times. Auto standby allows you to choose different standby times. You can also set the date and time format to either a 12-hour or 24-hour system. For setting specific time points, you can choose different languages and file name format. Other options include data synchronization, restore factory setting, format, local update, OTA upgrade, and information about the device, such as capacity, serial number, SN, software version, etc.